Welcome back to Bike Future Hub, your ultimate destination for the latest two-wheeled marvels. Today we dive into a bike that's turning heads in 2025, the Benelli Leoncino Bobber 400. A retro cruiser with modern charm, it's all about style, performance, and attitude. Let's take a closer look. The Leoncino Bobber 400 is an instant classic. Benelli's design team nailed the retro bobber aesthetic while infusing it with modern details. The low-slung stance and single-seat setup scream vintage charm. The wide handlebars and fat 16-inch tires give it a muscular, planted look. Up front, you've got a full LED round headlight with a sleek Leoncino logo in the middle, a nod to Benelli's heritage. The fuel tank has a teardrop shape with matte and gloss paint options that ooze sophistication. This engine delivers smooth power, making it perfect for cruising through city streets or taking on weekend getaways. It's not about blistering speed, it's about refined performance. The fully digital instrument cluster provides clear info, including speed, RPM, gear position, and fuel level. Dual-channel ABS ensures confident braking on all surfaces. A slipper clutch reduces engine braking, keeping things smooth during aggressive downshifting. The suspension, a telescopic fork up front, and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. So, who is the 2,225 Benelli Leoncino Bobber 400 for? It's for riders who want a stylish, easy-to-ride cruiser that stands out in the crowd. Whether you're a seasoned biker or someone looking to make a statement with your first motorcycle, this one's worth considering. What do you think about the Leoncino Bobber 400? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Future Hub for more in-depth reviews and the latest in the world of two-wheelers.